I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Versa Note battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and, of course, your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential battery acid during the process. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. You'll usually find your Nissan Versa Note battery located under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, unfasten and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in its tray. Take your time with each step. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and both terminal clamps thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery securely into the tray and then reattach the hold-down clamp firmly to prevent movement. Now, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring it's tight and secure. Finally, attach the negative terminal last, making sure it is also firmly secured. This order is important. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all your battery connections to ensure they are tight and completely free of any corrosion. Once everything looks good, start your engine to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and powering your vehicle as expected. Lastly, please remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Most auto parts stores or certified recycling centers will accept it, helping protect our environment. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.